What's good, y'all? I'm back at it again. I literally just finished the desert video and I got a lot of videos I want to do. So I'm going to set up for tonight's video, which is the cheapest way to get color gel or color lighting and also shoot it on film. Usually people will be scared to shoot like studio and color on film because you don't know how it's going to come out. You don't know if you're going to waste your roll. You don't know if it turned out, if it don't turn out. And honestly, I never did this before, so I'm doing it at the same time and trying it for the first time myself. I'm gonna set it up, by the time my girlfriend get home, everything will be ready so she can just get dressed and then we can take the pictures. Real talk, I'm gonna set up the backdrop now. I'm not gonna use my backdrop pose and all that stuff. I'm just gonna use these tacks. All it is a sheet, so I'm gonna just tack this sheet on the wall. Alright, so now I'm gonna show you guys what gives you the color lighting. These little papers, that's what give you the color lighting. You can get them for like Party City as a roll for like $2, $3, I'm not for sure. I got mine from Dollar Store. But all you do is get your paper, get your light, put it over your light, tape it down. Boom. Easy, cheap, crazy, easy, cheesy. Cheese pieces sound fire right now. Film is a little bit different. You never know. You never know how the color's gonna turn out. You never know. So, enjoy the process, and I'm gonna speed wrap it right now. Easy, 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 easy. But that's how you get red. Now let's go to blue. Boom, simple, easy. Can you tell? I don't know, because it's still bright outside. But that's how you get the blue light. Tonight I'm gonna show you really how it looks, but easy. Alright, now it's time we all been waiting for. I'm about to load up some Portra 400 inside of my K1000, and I'm gonna be shooting at ISO 400, and then I'm just gonna go based off the light meter that's inside of here. And hopefully everything goes well. I'm gonna change the lighting around, I'm gonna change everything around. I'm gonna try different lighting techniques and different lighting schemes, if that makes sense. Alright, now it's time for both lights. We're going to put both lights on, some from the back, front like that, from the side, both from the front.
What about you, Z?
I know this is a pretty long video, but if you're still here, thank you for watching. That is the easiest way to make color lighting in your photo studio or in any situation, because all you need is that little color paper, tape it over some light, and then you're good to go. Thank you again. This is 28 Trey, and I'm out.